I'm Don Erskine. I own this property. We have a number of manufacturing facilities on the site. We got involved with Entegra after going out to the industry looking for concepts and pricing. We found that the early communications we had with Entegra, they were quite flexible, and we were able to develop the project, get a very good result. It was very important for us in the early stages. Number one is to get the project done within budget, to have very little disruption during the process, but more importantly to get the project done on time. We were quite staggered at how quickly the building progressed. But the beauty of what happened in the finish, there was very little variation because of the work and the time and effort that was put in at the very start of the project. But a very positive to come out of the project was, as it developed, it was a three-way street between Vossloh, us and Entegra, because what we had to make sure that Vossloh got what they were after, that Entegra understood what they were after, but in that process we got what we wanted out of the project as well. The input we got from Entegra was a real asset in the project, in that they were experienced in what they were doing, and we were able to change the project to be more viable. So we found it very easy to work with. They were a very young, energetic and enthusiastic team. When we did this project, it went so smoothly that I think we've done another 2 buildings with Entegra since, and there's another one on the drawing board right now. So that'll make a total of 4 in a very short period of time.
I'm Tony Tom, working as a General Manager at Entegra for Turnkey projects. As Entegra, we specialize as design and construct, and we work with our client right from the feasibility to the handover phase. We got our robust internal systems to make sure that the quality is maintained, and it's all backed up with third-party audits. Getting Entegra early enough into the process really helps to nail down the end user requirements. So in this case, the end user is Vossloh, and they invest heavily in design and manufacture for switches and in railway infrastructure. So knowing their requirements early enough, even at the feasibility stage, is so important to project preliminary designs and tentative budgets and timeline. In this project, we had a lot of challenges in terms of the services like mechanical, electrical and plumbing, and to meet the international standards of Vossloh. We needed to know those requirements well and truly and early enough to incorporate into A standards and come up with effective designs. What Entegra did in the early phase is to collaborate with expertise, outsourced engineers, consultants in the market, and bring their competency into the table so that we can offer a seamless process as well as best outcomes for our clients and stakeholders.